My name is Amad Mian. I'm the co-founder of Daastangoy. Daastangoy is a creative platform that's dedicated to showcasing the art, design, and culture of the Global South to the world. And when I speak about Daastangoy candles, which we are exhibiting at the design store, our kind of love for fragrance was what created this particular product that we're showcasing over here. And the Daastangoy candles, each one of them showcases one place, time, or country from the Global South. And so the reason and the thinking behind each of those candles is a story that's dedicated to myself and to my wife, which is, we grew up in Dubai. We were born and raised there. We're Pakistani. But we have friends from all over the region, from Syria, from India, from Iran, from the UAE, from Saudi. And so we really wanted to give an ode to all of those different stories. So when you look at the names of all of the candles, they're very romantically kind of talking about these places and these times. So we have scents like Orange Blossoms of Damascus, to the Roses of the Mughal Empire, to Bedouin Oud, and each one talks about the time or the place or a particular kind of people. And so that's what each of the candles kind of represents. And what we found over the last, almost 2 years of selling these candles, it might be something that we launch, it might be something that we start off with, but when you first smell them, when you first interact with them, whether it be the name, whether it be the fragrance, it takes you back and it takes you into your own story. And that's what I find really beautiful. And that's why I love the power of scent. And the reason why we name all those candles the way we name them is because, they're open enough that you're able to bring in your story with it. I think that the Biennale Design Store is at an epicenter where there are people from all over the world coming through. And for me, anything that celebrates, or anyone that celebrates artists, creatives from this region, I think it's remarkable. And I really think when people walk through here, I'm already kind of like scouting out things that I want for my own home. When people walk through, they really get a sense of the region, of what the Biennale is about, of what this region is about. And I think that's extremely commendable.